Okay, here is our triangle again. This time we have more than just one angle that uses a variable. We have two angles. We're actually solving for k in this one, but they still equal 180 degrees. So it's not too much different than what we just did for the do now. We have angle 1, which is 45. We have angle 2, which is 2k. And we have angle 3, which is k. And they're all going to equal 180 degrees. So if we combine like terms on this side of the equal sign, we have k plus 2k. K is like 1k plus 2k. We have 3k plus the 45 over here. And that all equals 180 degrees. I can find my constant over here on the same side as the variable. So this is a positive 45. I'm going to do negative 45 on both sides to move it to the other side. And I'm left with 3k equals 135. Divide both sides by 3. They'll cancel out. And we have 135 divided by 3. So 135 divided by 3 is 12, 15. 3 goes into 15 5 times. So that is k equals 45. So our variable k is 45. So this angle is also 45. And this is 2 times 45. So this angle is actually 90 degrees. Let's do another one. This one has x, 110, and x. So we have x plus 110. And again, all triangles, their sum of their interior angles equal 180 degrees. X plus x gives me a 2x plus 110 equals 180. My constant is on the same side where the variable is, plus 110, so I'm going to do negative 110. They will cancel out. I'm left with 2x equals 70. Divide both sides by 2, and we get x equals 35. So this one is 35 degrees, and this one is 35 degrees. This figure has 4 sides, not a triangle. It has a different interior measurement. All quadrilaterals have an interior measurement of 360 degrees. So we need to make sure we use that when we're finding what the variable is. So here we have 2a plus a plus 2a plus a. They all equal 360 degrees. Well, I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 A's, right? 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6, equals 360. Simple equation, number next to a letter means multiply, so I'm going to divide to solve, and we get A equals 60. So when I go back and take a look, this is 60, this is 60, this is 2 times 60, which is 120, and this one is 120. Do one more quadrilateral with you. This one looks a little more complicated. Again, it's still going to equal 360 degrees. So here I have 60, and then I have plus x, and then I have 98, and then I have plus all of this, x minus 16, and that's all going to equal 360. All right, we have a lot going on this other side here. So we have a number 60 plus 98 minus 16. So I'm going to take that over here. 60 plus 98 minus 16. Well, 98 plus 60 is 158 minus 16 gives me 142. And then if I look at this, I have an x plus x. So I have two x's. And that all equals 360. Here's my constant, plus 142. So I can do negative 142 minus 142 to both sides. They'll cancel out. I'm left with 2x. And then I'm left with 10 minus 2 is 8, 5 minus 4 is 1, 218. 2x equals 218. I need to divide both sides by 2. I'm left with x equals 109. So if I was to go back and look, this would be 109 up here, and then 109 minus 16. Oh, wait, that's still a 10. 383. So this one would be 83. Okay, you go ahead and give some a try.